Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
I do solemnly swear that I will bear true faith and allegiance to Pakistan, and that as Federal Minister I will discharge my duties and perform my functions to the best of my ability, faithfully in accordance with the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan,
and the law,
and always in the interest of the sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of Pakistan. That I will serve to preserve the Islamic ideology, which is the basis for the creation of Pakistan. That I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official decisions. That I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan. That in all circumstances I will do right to all manner of people according to law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will, and that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as Federal Minister, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as Federal Minister, or as may be specially permitted by the Prime Minister. May Allah Almighty help and guide me. Ameen.
May Allah Almighty help and guide me. Ameen.